Today I'm at JulianTech Convention Center to ask tech questions. The more you get right, the more you can win money. This video is also made possible by IT Show 2023 happening from the 9th to 12th March at JulianTech Convention Center. Let's get on to the video. Names.
Rain and Aaron.
My name is Sinkai.
Gerald.
How old are you?
18.
18?
Yeah.
Oh, got a lot of young people. What letter is between Q and E on the keyboard?
W.
Correct. What street do you use?
Razor Greens. Razor Greens. I don't know, Terry McNeese.
What letter is in between S and F?
B.
You say what?
D.
What do I say? B. Correct. What letter is in between A and D?
S.
Correct.
I'm housing.
Can I get some energy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My name is Jackie.
You look like you can handle the hard ones. What letter is in between H and K on a computer keyboard?
I.
Give me one more try. Other people I ask easier one. Give me one more try.
J.
Correct. Correct. Nice. What letter is in between H and K?
My guess is D.
Give you one more try. What letter is in between Q and E?
W.
Okay, yes.
Only thing I know because Valorant.
So I'm gonna give you 3 options. Give me a number from 1 to 3. 3. Okay. Wow, then this is easy. Okay, nice. Name me 3 PC components.
The GPU, the RAM, and the power supply.
Easy, no problem. Name me 3 brands of graphic cards.
AMD, Intel, Nvidia.
I made it too easy. I was hoping for like Gigabyte, Zotac. Name 3 brands that will be at the IT Show 2023.
Oh, I don't know that.
Just name. Come on, just name.
Prism.
Correct. Wait, shit. You just go. Come on, go. I give you a chance. I give you 5 more seconds. 4, 3, go. 1.
Apple.
Sorry, you all got it wrong. Brands that will be at the IT Show 2023.
Aftershock.
Correct.
Secret Lab.
Correct.
Omnidac. Aftershock. Asus. Lenovo.
They say no.
Prism Plus, is it called?
Yes. Okay. This is a hard one. For your last question, what kind of fruit was used to name a computer in 1984?
Apple.
Easy. Jerome. Just $120. How do you feel?
Feeling good.
1024 bytes is 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. And 1024 gigabyte is 1 terabyte. But what is 1024 terabytes? Yeah, sorry, I did that damn badly, but yeah. Gigabyte, terabyte, what's the next one?
Petabyte.
Correct. Good job, man. You won yourself $20.
Yeah, thank you.
What does CPU stand for?
Central Processing Unit.
Correct. All right.
I know because I've been precise.
Nice. Correct, Leo. Aaron, you see, I tell you already, you should have separated, then you can win more money. Let's see, if you know this, I'll be very impressed. You deserve the $60. Do you know that LASER is an acronym? You know that?
Yeah.
You know? What is the acronym?
Light emitting.
That's like long.
Try again. Like the laser is what? Is a
Light.
light, correct?
Not so it's light.
Correct.
Is it emitting?
Atomic.
It's light.
Light.
Fingers.
Which finger is it?
Yes.
Light.
Light. Yes, correct.
I'm with you.
Super 5.
Man, what's E?
Emitting.
Okay. R.
Range.
Wrong.
Energy, radiation.
You got radiation right though. You got radiation right.
Okay.
So it's actually light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. But it's okay. You won yourself $20. How do you feel?
Thank you. Oh, I didn't think I'll get that much.
Oh,
I just came to try my luck.
okay, nice. What are you gonna do with the money?
That's right. He dark it.
Okay, nice. How do you feel
More TYS, I guess.
What is...
Manual series.
Oh, 10-year series for A-levels, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, all your best for your A-levels.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Come, pose for the camera. Yeah, yeah. Okay, the video is done. I gave away $110. Unfortunately, no one has won that $50. I was prepared, man. I was prepared with $500. Since I still got moolah, I will do the same thing at the IT Show 2033 from the 9th to 12th March. So come and see me. Join me. I'll do a bit of a meet and greet also. Check my Instagram for any updates. I will put some updates on YouTube or the description as well. But once again, IT Show 2033 happening right here at Suntech, 9th to 12th March. A lot of brands, a lot of tech products come sale. Ching 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 ching. Sale, sale, sale. Bye bye bye. And I'll see you next time. I'm done.